Here are a list of few things that you need to carry during your next doctor's visit. First, write down all your symptoms and queries on a paper so that you don't miss out on asking any. Next, carry all your past medical records. Don't forget to carry a list of all the medicines that you currently are on. This includes your inhaler if you're on any, so that the doctor can assess your technique. Carry a list of all the recent investigations that have been done. And lastly, don't forget to inform your doctor about any drug allergies.